As the moderator pointed out, our satellite is already 2 years old. It was launched on April 28, 2016 from Vostochny Cosmodrome. This is the general view of the spacecraft. During the flight tests, it was confirmed that all technical characteristics in the terms of reference are in compliance. So we are going to talk about technical features and solutions. So these are the performance features obtained: linear ground resolution to 2.5 meters and 1.5 on GSD. This is all panchromatic mode. Swath in visible range is nearly 40 kilometers. Duration of survey route 3 to 300 seconds, and a couple of other features on the slide. These are samples of images generated from our spacecraft, and you can appreciate the quality. Over the time of operation, over 24 million square kilometers have been surveyed. Progress Center had two key activities. First is transmission of data to users, and the second one is creating new smaller satellites on the platform that AIST-2D used to hold. So space survey routes have been distributed to the organizations listed here. After which a number of expert opinions have been provided, including by Inoter Rakus Rosregister. I will not elaborate on those opinions, but they all corroborate the accuracy and quality. They say that quality is sufficient to receive thematic products and update 1 to 25,000 maps. In addition to the standardized product, Progress Center has identified potential areas of application for AIST-2D remotely sensed data. Obviously, it's agriculture, water resources monitoring, and so on. A number of practical tasks have been addressed together with the following companies. This is a brief overview of the outcomes. With the Rosregister, we updated topographic maps. With the emergency ministry, we monitored fire situations, and with the Ministry of Agriculture, we monitored illegal logging and waste. These are examples of thematic use, natural reserves, production, waste, fires. There's a number of entities that we work with on a free of charge basis. These are the ministries. distributor agreements are signed. Also, we have a lot of operation and business with Rosreester. So we surveyed 20% of what the Rosreester's request was, and in addition with Rosreester, we are also discussing building and launching spacecraft to serve the needs of the Rosreester. Now let's talk about the spacecraft that will be using the space platform that AIST-2D is held by. The technical solution embedded here allows installing different specialized equipment. This is an AIST-2D project with upgraded equipment. This is called Aurora, and you can obtain LRM of 1.5 meters, linear ground resolution. Wide format equipment can also be accommodated on this platform, so the swath will be no less than 180 kilometers with the panchromatic range of 4.6 meters. We believe that this is applicable for environment, natural resources, and other areas of manufacturing. We also looked into radio electronics, radar equipment to be placed on AIST-2D platform. In the early 2020, Obzor-R radar satellite is due to be launched. So here we are utilizing similar technology. The most significant result of operation is increased cooperation with academia and universities in Samara province. This is an ongoing effort. Project is underway with the weight of 150 kilograms, and the main features resolution, 1.5 to 2 meters. This slide shows tentative cost of the works to build AIST-like spacecraft. It will cost around 890 million rubles. The production period and the intensity. We're talking about 3 spacecraft per year. That's all I have. Thank you for your attention. Your questions, please. For Anton. Anton, what special equipment will be mounted on board to receive georeferencing without ground control points? Any GPS equipment and star sensors. What are you going to have on board? What kind of payload? So we obtained 12-meter georeferencing without GCPs. The next gen spacecraft will have additional star sensors to generate better ephemerids. So we believe that we will be able to obtain 5 meters. No further questions. Thank you. Very interesting presentation. We wish you all the best, and to your spacecraft too.